Warship 525, this is Philippine Government Vessel 17. You are within the Philippine Territorial Sea at vicinity 6.4 nautical miles northwest of Panata Island within the municipality of Kalayaan. You are state party of UNCLOS. You are endangering the relationship of our countries. Leave immediately. Over.